Managing the quality of the data is essential in order for the organization to be able to rely on it and benefit from it. If you're building or you're planning to build a data quality program, here are the first 3 of the most prevalent mistakes to avoid. For the other 4, please click on the link in the description below and it will take you to the accompanying article describing all of it in greater detail. So, here are the first 3 of the most prevalent mistakes to avoid when building a data quality program. The first mistake is not treating it as a program in the first place. Many organizations still treat it as a project, as a one-time fix to an immediate issue. A lot of resources are wasted for this one-time data cleanse, which only benefit a specific part of a project's deliverables, such as a system integration, a report development, a customer analysis, a data migration, and so on. The problem is that even though it solves this immediate need, it's not sustainable. It does not follow the trifecta of the best data quality management practices, which, by the way, you can find out more information on our site. So, because data quality management best practices are not followed, bad data creeps in eventually. Sustained good data quality cannot be achieved through a project, but through a program. The second mistake is to not standardize master reference data from the get-go. It's estimated that anywhere between 20 to 50% of the tables in a database house reference data. Master reference data is found under multiple systems used by an organization, and when this is not managed, its poor quality has a compounding effect in data analysis, reporting, data integration, decision-making, and much more. This should be the first type of data to bring under your data quality program's umbrella. For example, even if your mandate is to cleanse customers' addresses, first focus should be on the reference tables for countries, states, provinces, and address attributes such as address type and usage criteria. It's really low-hanging fruit with a lot of benefits. The third mistake is having IT as the owner. Now, every program requires ownership in order to be successful. And for a data quality program, IT usually takes that leadership. As much as I love and cherish IT and value its importance, having IT as the owner is an issue. Why? Well, while I agree that data can be highly technical and has a major technical component, it also gets created, acquired, maintained, and used based on business needs. IT is not the one responsible for defining those business needs, rules, standards, which data should comply to. It is really the business side which outlines what the data quality requirements are or should be. The desirable solution here is to have the ownership rest with the business, which of course should collaborate with IT for the technical aspects of the program and have IT involved as a major stakeholder. There you have it. For the other 4 major mistakes to be aware of and avoid, go see the article listed in the video's description. For more information, please check out LightsOnData.com. Here you can find more informative content such as templates and guides, best practices, articles, and other useful resources to help you with your data governance and data management questions and challenges. So, please follow, subscribe, or sign up for the monthly newsletter to never miss out on great content. And don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.